how to turn on or turn off quick capture on the GoPro Hero 9 or the GoPro Hero 10. First, let's go back to your main screen by pressing on the power button or the mode button on the side here. And from the main screen, scroll down or swipe down at the top. Then tap on this button right here. So tap on that to turn on or turn off quick capture. So at the moment I'm going to turn on quick capture. So the GoPro's quick capture is a handy feature on the Hero 9 that lets you turn on the camera and start recording with just a single press of the shutter button. It eliminates the hassle of unlocking the camera and manually choosing a recording mode. Perfect for those fleeting moments you don't want to miss. So let's test it out. I'm going to switch off the camera. So you can see it say power off. Now if I quickly need to capture something, I can just press on this button once. And this will allow me to start recording. And then just press on it again to stop the recording. And the camera will switch off. So the features are power on and record. So with quick capture enabled, a single press of the shutter button when the camera is off will power it on and immediately start recording a video in the last use mode. And that's it. So for the simplicity and speed, the core benefits is the ease and speed of capturing moments. No need to mess with the menus or miss the actions while switching modes. And that's it. Pressing on the button will stop the recording and turn off the camera. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.